lockdown is in no way a solution to the COVID virus. It is as if you've hit pause and stopped the virus in its tracks until the lockdown. When we come out of the lockdown, the virus is going to start its work again. So it is very important that we have a strategy to come out of the lockdown. Now, what are the things that need to be put in place? The lockdown allows you the time and space to put in medical resources, to ramp up your testing ability, to prepare your hospitals, to get ventilators, to create the type of architecture that is required to fight the virus when it picks up again. So there is one misconception that I would like to clear up. In no way does a lockdown defeat the virus. It stops the virus for some time. Now, what is the real weapon against the virus? The biggest weapon. The biggest weapon is testing. Testing at scale so you know where the virus is moving and you can isolate the virus, you can fight the virus, and you can target the virus. Now, I want to give you a few statistics on testing. I think our testing rate is 199 out of a million. And if you look at all the tests that we've done over the last 72 days, it works out to approximately an average of 350 tests per district. Now, this is in no way enough to tell you how the virus is moving. So the central theme is, if you want to fight the virus, you have to increase testing dramatically, and your testing has to go from chasing the virus to moving ahead of the virus. Means you have to move into random testing and you have to start to preempt where the virus is moving. A lot of our testing is currently chasing the virus because we are identifying cases and then following the virus. With that type of testing, you will never be able to actually get a good image of what the virus is doing and where the virus is. So one advice to the government, and this is something that I've said and we've been saying, push testing aggressively, maximize testing, and use testing strategically. Use testing to assist the states in their fight. Use testing not simply to track patients who are infected, but to create a map of India to see where the virus is moving, identify hotspots using testing. So I'm proposing scaling up testing and using testing strategically. And I'm saying that the government of India currently, the testing levels are too low and they're not using testing strategically.
Thank you, Sanjeev ji. Thank you, Rahul ji. I'm going to go to the next question. Sid.
It should be a strategic opening. So you open particular key areas. You use testing to identify, and this is where the point of ramping up testing is important. You use testing to identify dynamically which are the hotspots. And you clamp down on those hotspots. But you create two basic zones in India, a hotspot zone and a non-hotspot zone. And you use testing to identify the places which are becoming hotspot. So you make sure that if any zone is moving from a non-hotspot zone in terms of the disease, you immediately clamp down. So that would be how you would think about it. Because realize that at one level, when you lock people up, the disease gets locked up. When you open the door, the disease will come rushing out. So that was on the medical side. There is going to be a massive financial backlash that is going to come. You're going to see the first waves of unemployment, and then that will start to spiral. You will see massive pressure coming on our financial system. So you will have to set up structures and manage your funding so that you don't get caught. Suppose you spend all your money right now immediately, and then you have a financial crisis. Later in a few months, you've got a real problem. So you have to think strategically and you have to move strategically. certainly you have to spend a significant portion of your money in protection of people. See, for us, life is the most important thing. And we cannot simply let our people be under these circumstances. So we have to protect human life, but we also have to make sure that we, in protecting them from the virus, that we don't destroy our economy completely. So it is a dynamic, constantly moving strategy. That is why I get worried when I see very blunt instruments. I would have liked a lot more power decentralized to the states. I would have liked a more detailed conversation between the states and the Prime Minister with regards to the strategy with the lockdown. But fine. I mean, there's a particular style that Modi ji has, which is fine. One can work around that style. एक बार डिजीज चालू हो गई तो ऑब्वियसली सब देशों ने अपनी जो टेस्टिंग किट्स मंगानी थी वो मंगानी शुरू हो गई. तो आज टेस्टिंग किट्स का जो सप्लाई है वो लिमिटेड है, वो रियलिटी है. अमेरिका भी टेस्टिंग किट्स चाहता है, यूरोप भी टेस्टिंग किट्स चाहता है, सब देश टेस्टिंग किट्स चाहते हैं. उस सिचुएशन में हिंदुस्तान के हाथ में टेस्टिंग किट्स नहीं पड़ रही हैं. जो आप रैपिड टेस्टिंग किट्स की बात कर रहे हैं वो भी मिनिस्क्यूल नंबर ऑफ किट्स हैं. तो हमें कोई ना कोई तरीका निकालना पड़ेगा. अब ठीक है, अब हम यहाँ हैं. अब मैं ये नहीं कहना चाहता हूं कि भाई इसलिए यहाँ है, क्यों यहाँ है, मगर कोई ना कोई तरकीब तो निकालनी पड़ेगी कि हम टेस्टिंग एट स्केल कर पाए. क्योंकि अगर आप कोविड से लड़ना चाहते हैं, बिना टेस्टिंग एट स्केल आप लड़ ही नहीं सकते. आपको यही नहीं मालूम होगा कहाँ है बीमारी, कहाँ है. मान लो आपने हॉटस्पॉट एरियाज बना दिए और नॉन हॉटस्पॉट एरियाज बना दिए. अगर आप नॉन हॉटस्पॉट एरियाज में टेस्ट ही नहीं कर पा रहे तो आपको मालूम ही नहीं कि वो हॉटस्पॉट कब हो जाएगा. तो अगर आप एक ग्रेजुएटेड स्ट्रेटेजी चाहते हैं तो आपको टेस्टिंग की तो जरूरत ही है, क्रिटिकल है. अब मैं ये नहीं कहना चाहता हूं कि क्यों नहीं हुआ है. मैं ये कहना चाहता हूं कि आज से पूरा दम लगा के पूरा हिंदुस्तान टेस्टिंग तेजी से करे. और टेस्टिंग के प्रॉक्सीज भी हो सकते हैं. तो सिर्फ टेस्टिंग किट ही नहीं है, और तरीके भी हो सकते हैं, मगर स्ट्रेटेजिकली करना है. सिंपल तरीके से नहीं होगा कि भाई स्ट्रेटेजिकली सोचकर. टेस्टिंग is our main weapon against the virus. It is a strategic weapon. It has to be used like a strategic weapon. Currently, as I said, we are chasing the virus. किसी को वायरस हुआ, हमने टेस्ट किया, फिर हम उसके पीछे दौड़ रहे हैं. बिना रैंडम टेस्टिंग आप वायरस के पीछे ही दौड़ते रहोगे और वायरस आपके आगे निकलता जाएगा. जब आप रैंडम टेस्टिंग करोगे तो आप वायरस को रोक पाओगे.